You need visibility in the cloud, and if you're doing infrastructure as a service, and in certain vendors, platform as a service, cloud implementation, certainly private cloud implementations, you've got the ability to have complete visibility into all the virtual machines which are communicating across that hypervisor. So take advantage of it. And then be able to do things like what I've got on the screen here, which is a correlative analysis. Correlative analysis simply means that I've got multiple observation points, and I'm tying them together to find out which observation point is indicating the problem source. If you don't have cloud today, you will. It's coming. I'm sure most of you already have virtualization, but maybe not for some of your most critical applications. That's coming as well. We all know that. We accept it. And we realize that there's a fair amount of benefit to it. But being able to understand your user expectation levels today, when you're not talking about test dev, but you're talking about your CRM or your ERP or your email or your unified communications platforms being moved from a traditional infrastructure to an entirely new infrastructure, you've got to be able to understand what your user expectation levels are. And then as you progress to that new environment, being able to understand the deviations. You can actually locate technology inside of the hypervisor, which is hosted off-site, which will give you perspective into the communication which is happening in the cloud. That's a fantastic bit of capability that most organizations are not taking advantage of.